How to cancel Adobe Lightroom subscription. Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel Adobe Lightroom subscription. Now, to cancel Adobe Lightroom subscription on the mobile phone, you cannot do this directly on the app. Alright, so once you're on the app and you go to the top left corner of the screen, click on the results lines, and amongst the options here, you see account, premium features, etc. But you would not be able to cancel your subscription on this page. Just move down, move to the Play Stores app. Alright, this is because you can only subscribe using Google Play on Android devices. So if you're an Android user, go to your Google Play Store, into the top right corner of the screen, tap your profile, and in the box displayed, choose payments and subscriptions. And you see options like payments methods, purchase verification, subscriptions, budget and history, redeem code. So choose subscriptions, and then you'll see the list of subscriptions that you've made here, including Lightroom. So as you can see, Lightroom, select Lightroom, then choose cancel, and then just like that, your subscription will be cancelled on um Lightroom. Another option is if you made use of iOS, the same procedures: open your settings, tap your name, select subscriptions, find Lightroom, tap cancel subscription, and you are good to go. For Android users, you would visit Google Play Store. However, for iOS users, you would open your settings page to do this. I hope that is clear. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a wonderful day.